Welcome to GMB Heavy Industries, your one-stop shop for all spare parts and logistics needs in the steel and iron industry. We understand the importance of time and trust when it comes to your operations. That's why our expert team is dedicated to designing and building custom spare parts right here in North America, ensuring faster delivery and top-notch quality. Our engineers work closely with you to maintain an adequate inventory of spare parts, preventing unplanned shutdowns and keeping your mill running smoothly. If a specific part isn't available in the market, don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll design or reverse engineer the part, build it, quality check it, and install it, all in the shortest time possible. At GMB Heavy Industries, we pride ourselves on delivering OEM quality or better for all your steel mill components. Even if your equipment has been in service for decades and parts are no longer available, we can design, manufacture, and ship the replacement you need quickly and affordably. Trust GMB Heavy Industries for reliable spare parts and logistics solutions that keep your steel mill running at peak performance.